So here we go again with the XK A120. Done one video of this, but it's such a nice evening, thought I'd bring it out again. James on camera, and where it's got this rather nice scheme of the Airbus A380, because that's what it looks like. So let's give it another fly. Such a nice evening, why not? Here we go.
Very scale. That looks quite good fun.
I think considering how much it costs, it's really good.
It's a perfect evening for it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Light wind.
I think Dom should catch it for landing.
Give it a go. Oh, on the verge of stall.
How much flight time do you get with it?
You know what? Last time I was flying for 5 or 6 minutes.
That's pretty good going.
You're going to catch it, fly at yourself. Right, let's try it again. Yay,
Oh.
yay. Try and do a scale hand launch. This is a scale hand launch. What the hell is a scale hand launch? Here we go. Oh.
Pretty sure that went between my legs.
You were supposed to open your legs
Not sure if it's the plane that's not accurate or the pilot.
Yeah. Something about a workman and his tools.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
You got bored.
Yeah.
Did you get the outro?
Yeah, should we do the outro again, just in case?
Alright. So there we go, that's the XK A120 from Banggood.com. The link is in the video description. It's a lot of fun for what it is. Look it up for the price. And you can't perform aerobatics with it, but I don't think that's any bad thing. It does cruise around quite nicely. It's got a gyro in it to keep it reasonably stable, but we've noticed it is kind of a little bit sensitive if you do muck around too much with the elevator. And to get it to do reasonably tight turns, you have to back off on the throttle and kind of let the nose come around. But on full throttle, it'll do quite wide turns. So that's it. It's a lot of fun. The XK A120. Thanks for watching this one. See you next time.
Not sure if it's the plane that's not accurate or the pilot.
Yeah, something about workman and his tools.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.